So good morning. I want to show you how I can work on interactive whiteboard, whereby an interactive whiteboard is one of the one of the method of interaction when you are dealing with a student while writing with the cursor or while writing by using a cursor. So we shall be having the different steps to follow, where either you or the student or another one else can be using that board. So to do this, what we have to do, first of all, I have to create the Google Meet, where I have to interact with some people. When I interact with those people, we shall be having an interactive whiteboard while talking. You will see that I will give them the interactive whiteboard in the Google chat, so in the chat box, so that they can be able to give us their feedback. So as we are waiting for it to open, so I would like to tell you that while you are interacting with your student in an interactive whiteboard, it's commonly sense that you give your feedback and them also give their own feedback. I would like to tell you that also when we after opening, I'm going to create the Google Meet. Then I come here, new meeting. Then I start meeting right now. Then you see, I'm joining the meeting as the colleagues also will be given the code or the link to enter in the same Google Meet. You see, I'm the only one in, but I can also copy. You see, I'm going to copy this link. If I copy the link, I give it to my colleague. Let me give it to use this one. Then you see, I have sent one of the members a link. I can even also another one. This one. Or I can give them at once. So for example, let me give to this one, like this one. Those are the people I want them to join, and all of them will be able, the ones who are able will be able to give their feedback. Then so by you see one wants to come in, let me admit him. You see someone is already in. Veda, good morning. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, Vedasti.
Good morning, Irfaz.
Yeah.
Good
I want
afternoon.
you.
Is it good morning? We are afternoon.
Yo, sorry. I thought. I mean, I'm somehow abrupted in one office. That's why I didn't know what is going on outside. Come in. So you see, when we are interacting like this, that means I can also open. I come to whiteboard. I think it's this one. while opening the whiteboard.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
yes, ndakumva.
Yeah, I am back.
Yeah, you are back. Thank you very much. You wait so that we chat in the chat box.
Hello?
Yes, are we together? Yes.
The first.
Yes, please.
Uh, yes, we are together.
Okay, thank you very much. Um,
Anyway, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
So do I.
Okay. I don't know if the network is already, but you can check in your message in the chat box through this link, and you can now join on it so that we can interact on the whiteboard.
Yeah, I think I've got your message.
Thank you.
And I have already joined the whiteboard.
Okay. Did you open the
Are you there?
whiteboard?
Hello?
Yes.
Let me, as I'm opening. Just
Okay.
wait a bit. Yeah.
Okay. Now.
I can see you have many pages.
Yeah, I have many pages. You can
I'm on
even
the page one.
yeah, you can even open yours.
Page one, you are on.
Me, I'm on page number 1.
Yes.
Like right now, I'm on page number 2. I'm on page number 3, page number 4, page number 5. You can write on this page. Let me, for example, write. You saw the message I gave?
I'm saying that the God is great.
Okay, now you can now react on this message through interactive whiteboard. For example, by writing the given message referring to it.
Yes. Yes. You can see. I agree, of course.
Okay, I see you are writing.
Okay. Maybe you have to be patient. My cursor is not working well.
Yeah, I see.
But yeah,
Oh, wow.
this whiteboard is a very interesting. So I agree.
You agree. Wow. I see you are writing on it. Then,
I
wow.
agree.
God is great. Then let
Yes.
me respond to you by saying thank you.
Yeah.
Are you seeing my feedback?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you too, my brother.
Yes, please.
Yes.
Okay. You are the most welcome.
Yeah.
Anyway, I think we shall continue to interact wherever someone can want to give you the feedback, or also you can modify on this whiteboard. You will let me know, or I can check if you have changed something else by the later on. Thank you very much for your kindness. Thank you very much and have a good time.
Thank you. Thank you.
So I think this is how someone can interact with interactive whiteboard. I think You saw that I gave the message to my dears. Those are the different pages I have written about. But by the end, I wrote God is great. This is the reaction which have been given by Vedast, even myself. So that this is not only done for one student, that can be done for the whole class so that everyone is reacting on the entire message. Thank you very much for your kindness. Thank you. This was interacting whiteboard. Thank you.